6 fun facts about pandas. Life is hidden in the rainforest. Number 1. Bamboo-Centric Lifestyle. Pandas lead a life centered around bamboo, constituting over 99% of their diet, showcasing their specialized adaptations for bamboo consumption and their role as bamboo gardeners. Number 2. Cryptic Camouflage. Marvel at their cryptic coat patterns, providing effective camouflage in the dense rainforest, where their black and white fur helps them blend into their surroundings, avoiding predators and facilitating solitary living. Number 3. Solitary habits. Explore their predominantly solitary habits, with pandas often preferring secluded territories, minimizing interactions with other individuals and demonstrating a unique and enigmatic lifestyle. Number 4. Conservation ambassadors. Pandas serve as charismatic conservation ambassadors, capturing the hearts of people worldwide and contributing to global efforts to protect biodiversity, particularly in their rainforest habitats. Number 5. Elusive Reproduction. Delve into the challenges of panda reproduction, as females have a narrow window for conception, and breeding success in captivity has become a focal point for conservation initiatives. Number 6. Conservation Challenges. Confront the conservation challenges faced by pandas, including habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict, emphasizing the need to preserve rainforests and protect these emblematic creatures for the well-being of ecosystems and future generations.